Second, compassion. And third, faith and hope. First, determination. So most of you do not know my story. I am one of the 3 siblings sa among pamilya. We were not well off. Sa una, bata pa ko, mga elementary pa to, paglibot ko yung balot sa among mga ate sa lungsod. Usahay, muban ko I passed the scholarships. But out of the 3, I chose the UST since ang ako dream course sa una, which was BS Chemical Engineering, i-offer man sa UST at naara sa University of San Carlos, Cebu. So mas doon na siya compared sa UP Iloilo. I tried really hard to be always in the dean's lister. Not because I wanted to be at the top of my class in terms of grades. Okay na dyan na ako basta yung passing grade lang. But because para makasave sa tuition, naaman off or deduction if walk in the park. Pero Jurassic Park, may laingon. Pero I was so blessed na nako'y pamilya na mo-support na ako, maski walang-wala po dyan sa una. Tagtugay man ang mga alawan sa UST, pero maningkamot taon ako pamilya padalhan ko. And that was one of the most important things na nakapadadyon ako. Napadadyon sa inyo pagskwela. Never let poverty or any challenge becomes a hindrance. Kaya what you mo'y makapod kung surrender mo dadyon. Second, compassion. All throughout our journey, dili lang sa college, being smart, rich, or at the top of your class is not the criterion of being a good person. Sila mag-istorya o Tagalog, puro rahiligay nun. Ako daw dapat ang mag-adjust. Inunana sila na dili welcoming sa ako. It's built by lifting others. So, treasure your friends. Be kind and helpful to others, even to strangers. And surely, you will receive tenfold of what you have given. Third, faith and hope. Have faith in God and always be hopeful. Masking pa man nagsige na lang challenges or problema or mga projects ang inyo na nagian, have faith na mahumanan nimo. Upani lamang kajud o kapugi. As the saying goes, there's a rainbow always after the rain. Dili na dyan ko religious na pagkatao, pero truly, I felt relieved every time magampo ko. Ako rin ang mga problema, ako rin organize sa tanan. And all of a sudden, nagiha ko ng problema, pero nakatagan ko dugang ng puso na atubangon o sulbaton ang mga problema. So, for all of you na feeling stressed or problematic, dakong tabang ang faith sa atong Ginoo. Kung na ako'y pamilya ninyo na makatabang ninyo, adyaw mo dadyon og surrender. Again, graduates, always be determined. Never give up. Keep pursuing your dreams and make a difference. Also, always empathize and sympathize. Be compassionate to others. And lastly,